Western Cape Judge President John Hlophe is not accepting a court's dismissal of his bid to overturn the decision of the Judicial Service Commission tribunal, of course, which found him guilty of gross misconduct. He will now apply for leave to appeal.
Well, Hlophe is of the opinion that another court might come to a different conclusion. In 2008, Hlophe was found guilty of attempting to influence two constitutional court judges in a matter involving former President Jacob Zuma. Ayesha Ismail has got this report for us.
Determined to prove his innocence, Western Cape Judge President John Hlophe took on the Judicial Service Commission, which found him guilty of impeachable misconduct more than 13 years ago. But this week, a full bench of the Gauteng High Court ruled against him. Having failed to have his case sent back to the National Assembly to conduct its own investigation into allegations of misconduct, he will now apply for the matter to be heard in the Supreme Court of Appeal. He's arguing that the judgment did not accurately interpret the law and failed to correctly interpret the Constitution.
There has to be justice and respect of our client's rights. Our client's rights to a fair hearing that is done in terms of the law, because the moment you start getting into the fairness of the whole proceedings where the law is followed properly, he will be exonerated. Remember, his evidence has never changed. He has remained the same from day one to date.
Kolu says what has changed is the composition of the JSC and of the bench.
Now, it depends who is sitting there. That is why the issue of composition is important to us, for the fairness and the proper way of handling the matter.
Kolu says because this case is important to the public's confidence in the judiciary and the rule of law, Hlophe has instructed him to take the matter on appeal. And this means this case will drag on even longer. Ayesha Ismail, Cape Town.